Hello Adam, hope you're doing well. Again, thank you for the design, for the time you take to do the website. So, first of all, let's go with the home page. Overall, I like this first feel. With the clear get the call, learn more button, I can add my own text here. I love the orange here, the modern orange. This part, I think it looks good, but let's take a look on mobile. There's a clear an issue here with the mobile version. Buttons are not aligned. I might prefer some simple icons first here, for service 1, service 2, service 3, just like Chris Walker. My website. Chris Walker SEO. Whoops. SEO. Okay. Here we have an issue where there's a gap here. There's no call to action here. I'd like a call to action here for sure. There's also a gap here. So if you could just I don't know, make sure it's thick on the border here and there's no gap between these two parts and these two parts. I think we'll get rid of this part. I'm not sure it feels, it's kind of weird. I feel it's just a random part from the blog and the content section from here. So I'd like to remove this part, maybe. That is okay. Yeah, that is fine. That is a nice call to action. The footer looks good. Colors here, I'd like to keep these colors more simple. No yellow, no red, maybe like gray background or maybe orange background with the classic F for Facebook and every icon, but just more simple icon. Okay, service page. You did 2 section, okay. Another section here, okay. Okay, could you do something like maybe this? So a clear header here. What do? Small text, and then boom. It don't need to be the same design, but 4 square with all the services, and then once we click on there, we get to a single service page. How does a single service page look? Let me show you how does this look. Let's say so it's really simple, just H2 here, H3 here, text, maybe pictures between the text section, a small menu on the side, so it's good for the internal linking for SEO, a call to action, a contact form on the right side, the map, an image, and another, it looks great. It's easy to see the different buttons and colors, so I'd like some thing that looks like this. Here it's just, I don't need this part, obviously. It just looks kind of random, this part. I'm not sure why someone would read this section. FAQ, I'd like to get this part in the About Us section. So in this page, About Us, so that's perfect. Mission, vision, that's perfect, and then boom, FAQ, frequently asked question, right below the, or maybe yeah, FAQ will be right here, please, and then the testimonials will be at the end, because I might not need testimonials for now. So That's fine. Contact page. It looks good, but kind of too simple. I'd like something more modern, maybe a map, or I think we could work this section. It's really simple. I think we could get something a bit better when I'm looking at this contact page. You know, it's kind of better here. Really simple though, but you know, there's this part. Maybe I'll look at some other design. Chris Walker contact. Really simple, but you know, that's fine. That's not a big deal. My main concern is really the home page. Yeah, that needs to be more, you know, simple. That looks good. Yeah, that's perfect. Just let me take a look on mobile. Buttons are not aligned here. That's perfect. This page looks really good. Except the buttons here, it looks good. Get started. Where does okay, it's working. Okay. So okay, and now yeah, the home page needs to, I don't know, maybe you can go on teamforest.com and get some inspiration on some basic corporate design. Just to give you an idea of the modern design I'm looking for. There's plenty of designs here. That looks great. Let's take a look at this one. It looks good. It looks really good. Nice. Who are we? I don't like this slider. It could be our services. You know. Services. Boom. Our services. And then SEO and everything. We could just play with this. Local SEO, let's say. Local SEO. And then you get the point, right? So just really clear and simple icons. Another section. It looks good. Look at the icons. Simple icons. I love these icons on their black background. And boom, news. So I don't need a portfolio. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need this. Maybe this, but.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je fais une vidéo pour mon designer, Adham. That's a really good looking footer. Look at this. Say hello. Boom. It's bold. It's big. Easy to understand. And then, oh wow, the map. So that's an example of a good looking design for me. Simple, clear, black, white, gray. That's really good. But there's plenty of design that I could show you that looks amazing. I love this website, Developer. That's one of the best SEO consultants in the USA. He's called Ruan Marino. I learned from this guy, Ruan Marino, and he's really good. That's a kind of old looking website, but look how it converts like crazy. There's this call to action here. Is your website an asset or a liability? And then boom, you could just write your information here, email address, whatever, and that's it. Image, text, simple. Image, text, boom. So you get the point, right? I was trying to see here. Look how simple design is. Some 4 squares, really easy. Boom, 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 boom. Let's take a look at the home page. That's a transport company, but still, the design looks good. There's the call to action here. Nice. Okay, boom, icon. I could use 4, 6, maybe 4, let's say 4 icons or more. That's a really good looking website again. So that's what I'm hoping for. If you can do this kind of design right now, it looks good, but it looks like it's just some random parts thrown on the home page. So boom, this, I mean, that's okay, but not awesome. So there's clearly some issues here with the gap. Colors looks really good. So thank you, Adam. Looking forward to keep working. Thanks for your job. Do not get discouraged. And if you need it any time, let me know. I can extend the deadline for sure. I don't care really about the deadline. So looking forward to talk to you. If you want to call me, maybe in about 5 or 6 hours tonight, I might be available. I'm always on the road with my car, but give me a text and I'll try to contact you with Facebook Messenger. So okay, thank you very much, Adam. Bye bye.